lake. 5 little ducklings were wide awake, fluffy and yellow with tiny webbed feet, wiggly tails and beaks so sweet. Mama duck smiled and flapped her wings. Stay close together, that's what love brings. Can you count the ducks with me? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks ready to dive. 5 little ducks ready to dive. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. They splished and splashed in the water so blue, playing peekaboo, quackaboo. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came waddling back. Oh no, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. Where is the 5th little duck? Little duck. Where is the 5th little duck? Little duck. 4 little ducks went out to play, chasing dragonflies all day. They flapped their wings and ran so fast, having fun in the grass. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came waddling back. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 little ducks. Where did the other one go? 3 little ducks went out that day, waddling in a silly way. One found shiny pebbles bright, one saw fish swimming left and right. Mama duck called quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came waddling back. 2 little ducks, 1, 2. Uh-oh. 2 little ducks went out once more, exploring near the river shore. They heard a frog go ribbit, ribbit, and tried to jump, but couldn't quite do it. Mama duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came waddling back. Just 1 little duck, can you show me 1 duck? Whoa-oh. 1 little duck went out that day, looking around in a curious way. The sky grew quiet, the wind blew slow. Where did the other ducklings go? Mama duck said called quack, 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 quack. But none of the 5 little ducks came back. Oh no, none came back. Just sad Mama duck went out one day. Over the hills and far away, she flew over the hills and far away. She flapped her wings and called so loud, quack, 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 quack. And guess what happened next? From behind the hill, from under a tree, from near the pond, one by one they came with glee. 1 little duck, 2 little ducks, 3 little ducks, 4 little ducks, and 5 little ducks came waddling back. Hooray! 5 little ducks, safe and sound, waddling happily all around. Mama said, now stay close, my dear. Adventure is fun, but family is near. Let's count them one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks, happy and alive. Quack, 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 hooray. We love our ducklings every day. Ooh. 5 little duck.
One day, my dears, one day.